Housewarmings Outdoor, Custom Kitchen, Installation and Delivery. Safely load and secure the product, as well as all tools and equipment. Do not over-tighten straps, as you could damage the product. Using a hand fork, raise one end of the island and slide the island toward the end of the trailer. Be careful not to push the island off of the end of the trailer. With the island extended beyond the end of the trailer, place the wagon directly under the island, then lower the island onto the wagon. Steering from the front and pushing from the backside, guide the island to its final resting position. Whenever possible, leave the island on the pallet until you reach its final resting position. Using a hand fork on each side of the island, slowly and evenly lower the island onto the patio. Carefully slide the island off the pallet. Be careful not to chip or damage any of the finishes around the bottom of the island. If utilities are present, now is the time they should enter the island. By hand, slide the island into its final and exact resting position. This is easily accomplished due to the plastic shims that are on the bottom of the island. Perform the basic and final utility connections inside of the island. Using the supplied materials as well as the pre-cut tiles, install all remaining tile pieces if required. After installing grout into the tile joints, use a damp sponge to thoroughly clean and complete the tile. Use supplied stone to complete any remaining stonework if required. Carefully open all component boxes and unwrap all supplied components. Gently install all components into the appropriate openings. Pay special attention not to scratch or ding the component as well as the island itself. The interior components of the grill should be opened and properly installed inside of the grill. Upon completion of the install, use a stainless steel cleaner to wipe down all stainless steel components. After cleaning all stainless steel components, perform a thorough cleaning both inside and outside of the entire island body. Before completing a project, you must complete a final inspection and operation training with your customer. Please see our other videos for this information.